Everyone. It is about a month from now. We will be marking Global Accessibility Awareness Day. The initiatives are started by Jennison and Joy Devon. It's already about 6 years that the momentum is started, and there are a lot of events happening across the globe. Do visit globalaccessibilityawarenessday.org and head over to public events page to know what are the events happening around the world that you can attend in person, and possibly there will be some virtual events happening. Today I would like to talk to you all about what is happening in Bangalore, India. There are four set of events planned uh, to happen in Bangalore, hosted by Prakat Solutions and Mitra Jyoti. First, there will be a competition for a few engineering colleges in Bangalore. Uh, this effort is being coordinated and hosted by APS College of Engineering in partnership with Rotaract Club of Kormangla, and of course promoted by Prakat Solutions and Mitra Jyoti. Accessibility has to be begun at the education level. Hence, we thought there should be a platform where students could participate. Starting tomorrow, that is 16th April 2018, for 15 days, we'll be conducting an intercollegiate competition. We're calling it as GAAD for students, where students are expected to do accessibility testing of few websites from domains like government, transport, education, e-commerce, retail, entertainment, and so on, using the simple tools like axbydqin.com. Or they can prefer to use the tool of their choice, something like Google Developers or Wave or HTML code sniffer, whatever they're comfortable with. But we'll be introducing them to with some tools during the kickoff event tomorrow. Uh, and once they're tested, they would be writing small blog posts. Um, so the whole objective of this event is to give them taste of accessibility. And next would be on May 10th, 2018, an event at Mitra Jyoti campus for disability organizations and for people with disabilities. This event's objective is to have a conversation about how disability organizations should do the advocacy for accessibility and how people with disabilities themselves should promote accessibility in the community. Uh, for example, if they find a website or app inaccessible, how they should actually approach their developers and have the app or website get a fix for accessibility. So that is for people with disabilities and disability organizations. A keynote speaker for this event is Mr. Deependra Manosha, president of the NAB Delhi, that is National Association for the Blind, Delhi branch, and founder and trustee of Saksham Trust. And he's also president of the Desi Forum of India. In addition to that, there will be a few more speakers which we are planning. And then on May 17th, at the Hotel Chancery Pavilion in MG Road, we'll be doing two events. Thanks to Chancery Hotel for hosting that event. and sponsoring the event. So, on that 17th May 2018, the first event is for leadership and decision makers on business case of accessibility. It's a leadership conclave where we'll be having about 20-25 leaders, and we have a conversation about why accessibility is damn important, and what is the business benefit for them. Okay, why should they really care about accessibility? That followed by a 2 hour event, we are calling it as GAAD celebrations, where we'll be celebrating accessibility by recognizing some people who have done something good in the accessibility space, and also share some great case studies in the area of disability and accessibility. So visit www.gaad.in to have more details and join us for this event. Um, let's hope a lot more organizations across the world do observe this Global Accessibility Awareness Day, and let's make the world inclusive. By the way, this observing Global Accessibility Awareness Day, Global Accessibility Awareness Day, is as simple as put together your neighbors in the apartment complex and talk to them about accessibility. And even as simple as that, make your elevators accessible. Okay, make your buildings accessible. Or whatever apps you use among your offices or internal tools, make it accessible. Or take a pledge that whatever services that you offer to your customer, you make sure you include accessibility as well. So that is, the smaller things will actually add a lot of value, and one day we should be able to create an inclusive world. Thank you very much and have a nice time.